Early bird gets the what? Early bird gets the what? Early bird gets the worm every time. Every time. Early bird gets the worm every time. Right now, I'm on the Eastern time zone. It's 4 o'clock. But I guarantee you, I guarantee you, it's 11 a.m. somewhere. It's 1 p.m. somewhere. It's 3 p.m. So I guarantee you, early bird gets the worm. While y'all sleep, everybody else is up making money. Again, while you sleep, everybody else making money. So if you want to sleep better, invest. That way your money can make money for you, right? Then you ain't gotta work as hard. Duh, right? Come on now.